Think outside the box. Centuries ago, in a small Italian town, there was a business owner who was in a great amount of debt. His banker, who was an old, unattractive man, strongly desired the business owner's young, beautiful daughter. The banker decided to offer the businessman a deal to forgive the debt that he owed the bank completely. However, there was a bit of a catch. In order for the businessman to become debt-free, he was to have his daughter marry the banker. The businessman didn't want to concede to this agreement, but he had no other choice, as his debt was so extreme. The banker said he would put two small stones into a bag, one of which was white and the other black. The daughter would then need to reach into the bag and blindly choose a stone. If she chose the black stone, the businessman's debt will be cleared and the daughter would have to marry the banker. However, if he chose the white stone, the debt would still be cleared and the daughter would not have to marry him. While standing in the stone-filled path in the businessman's yard, the banker reached down and chose two small stones, not realizing that the businessman's daughter was watching him. She noticed that he picked up two black stones and put them in a bag. When it came for the daughter to pick a stone out of the bag, she felt she had three choices: refuse to do it, take out both stones and expose the banker's cheating, or pick a stone knowing it would be black and sacrifice herself to get her father out of debt. She picked a stone from the bag and immediately she dropped into the abundance of stones where they were all standing. She said to the banker, "I'm so sorry. I'm so clumsy. Oh well, just look in the bag to see what color stone is in there now, so you will know what color stone I picked." Of course, the remaining stone was black. Because the banker didn't want his deceit to be exposed, he played along. Acting as the stone that businessman's daughter dropped had to have been white. He cleared the businessman's debt and the daughter remained free. The lesson: in order to overcome challenges, you have to think in the ways that you have never thought before. You see, even the most complex problems do have a solution. Sometimes we just have to think about them in a different way. And don't be afraid to question the things that are expected to be true. Be creative, think different, and think outside of the box. Remember this and stay happy.